Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get ducats in Warframe. Ducats are a special currency used to purchase items from Baro Ki'Teer, the Void Trader. First, you need to collect Void Relics. Open them by playing Void Fissure missions, and once you complete the mission, the relic will open. Each open relic rewards you with a prime part. Prime parts can be traded with other players or exchanged for ducats. To convert prime parts into ducats, go to your navigation and travel to any relay. For example, you can visit Strata Relay on Earth, and once inside the relay, head to the Baro Ki'Teer area. Interact with one of the Ducat Kiosks to open the Ducat exchange window. From there, select the prime parts you want to trade in. Different prime parts give different amounts of ducats. Common parts usually give 15 ducats, uncommon parts give 45 ducats, and rare parts give 100 ducats. Note that Ducat Kiosks are available on all relays except Maru's Bazaar on Mars. To farm ducats efficiently, run endless Void Fissure missions in a squad and use Radiant Relics. This increases your chances of getting rare prime parts, which reward more ducats. And that's it. We just learned how to get ducats by opening Void Relics in Void Fissure missions, and by exchanging prime parts at Ducat Kiosks in relays for Baro Ki'Teer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.